Can you behave? We are in the restaurant, so please.
Voilà. Mais si tu veux que je te découpe ça.
That's why I like it. Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon, my type of wine. Bonjour! As I mentioned, I'm doing differently this vlog, and it's a Christmassy time. I want to show you the whole month of Christmas here in a little village. As I mentioned already, we relocate, so it's a different type of lifestyle. But also, as I mentioned, I want to show you some places in Serbia, New Zealand, France that I haven't shown you. So today, preparing lots of stalls for celebration of Noel or Christmas, and I think it's gonna be way more things to see in the afternoon. You're still Apple. Yeah, look at this one. I love ceramic and I like homework. Just be careful, Sophie, that can be broken very easily.
These are piggies.
Yeah, look at the cats. C'est très bien.
Oh, Santa!
You wanna see Santa?
Yeah, he's doing it.
Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est bonbon?
Yahoo! Ça, c'est des copies de gravure. Là, c'est un artiste qui s'appelle Raoul Dufy. Ça date des années 1920. Et ça, c'est... Hop, on fait bouger la table. Hop, 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 hop. Quand tu as fait tourner les petits trucs, t'as enlevé le S et le O. Pour le garder. Allez, je vais te découper ça.
Merci. As you see, it's quite foggy but mystic. I don't know, can you see here there is a church, cathedral we actually haven't visited yet. We are in France, we're gonna eat crêpes. Haydi seçim ettim. Payer avec carte?
Non.
We are running to take money for crêpes because they don't take cards. Money for crêpes and sweets. There you go. For you and 10 for me. Yes. You want some money?
I wanted to have, but they didn't give me.
Haydi.
I
Let's go
wanted
for
some,
crêpes.
but they didn't give me.
Come on, you are paying. Crème de châtaigne. What is that? Ah, moi,
On s'occupe de vous, madame.
un crêpe avec sucre et un crêpe avec fraises, confiture de fraises. C'est bon? Mhm. Not you. Merci. This reminds me, when we were in Amboise last year, I have to show you something first. Look, they put Christmas tree everywhere. In every corner, there is on the next corner another one, and then 20 more around, which is quite a new thing and really cute. They're doing that every year, I find out. We're buying crepes, and that reminds me of last year when we went to Amboise and we went to really cute creperie, which I really want to show you. It's a perfect, not just for kids, but it's so cute and cozy, and they have some good crepes. I'm gonna show you what happened last year and how cute that place is. Bonjour, mon amis. Welcome to Amboise again. Yes, madame.
Can you hear the noise in my car?
Yes, it's our last day in Amboise in France.
Amboise!
Yes, vas-y koala. We have some runners here. This is our last day in France and we are making the most of it. So we had a healthy breakfast because it's gonna be a walking tour, 24 hours for foodies. Starting morning with a healthy breakfast, we are grabbing some sweet treats for Sophie, who don't know who is Sophie. This is Sophie, my daughter. What? Going to explore a few local spots. It's going to be a few interesting areas. So first we're going to grab some croissant because it's last day in France. Then I believe we're going to do wine tasting as well.
Healthy breakfast, yes.
This is the third time I'm trying to say something. Local spots like a tea house, bakeries, wine tasting, etc, etc, and it's gonna be fun. Well, traveling with kids can brings a little bit of opposite to the healthy lifestyle in France, when everything is about the butter, cheeses, croissants, dough, all kind of pastry, because it's really hard to resist. So you can enjoy flavors without overdoing it, but you can still stay healthy. Let's go now. How much do you like croissant?
Too much.
Okay, do you prefer croissant or crepe?
Cap.
Crepe or macaron?
Macaron.
Macaron or banana?
Banana.
I know you like banana, but over the macaron, that's weird. Okay. Banana or cake?
Cake.
Cake or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Now it's an interesting question. Ice cream or sushi? Sushi over ice cream? I don't believe it.
Mama, I really got in the wrong way.
No. I'm taking you to the very, very old boulangerie. Ah, they're closed. Oh no.
What?
But it was written it's gonna be open. Wait. This is where we need to go. Nene, you need to choose a chocolate, Sophie. Come on. Bonjour.
Bonjour, avec des clous de girofle.
Caramel. Tu prends? You want to say merci?
Vous voulez, madame?
Ah, après. Après, merci.
Regarde, tu veux t'approcher des sans bien te faire tranquillement. Et voiture.
You can find some coffee as well. Actually, lots of different.
Et vous mettez vos petites appréciations.
Merci. Old boulangerie doesn't work. It's not open. We'll go to the one that we go on a regular basis. We lots of tartufles, tartolini, macarons, and all other stuff we like. It's my partner in crime. Let's go back to our favorite, collage. You choose the color or the taste, flavor? Do you want me to tell you what is it? Framboise, chocolat noir, fraise basilic, lychee, fraise, mint, yuzu, and nougat. Un croissant, s'il vous plaît. This is galant.
I have, for the white, I have one Sauvignon, Sancerre, and 3 different Chenin.
Okay.
Voilà.
Merci.
Because in the area, the Chenin is more repeated.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
The first is Sancerre, Henri Bourgeois, Sauvignon Blanc.
When your kid take too much sweets, huh? Your yogurt, yes. You got your macaron, right? You got. So, can I finish my tasting?
And 3 different Chenin.
Okay.
Voilà.
Merci.
Because in the area, the Chenin is more repeated.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
The first is Sancerre, Henri Bourgeois, Sauvignon Blanc, the rocks, and
Yeah, I read a little bit about it.
pardon.
I read lire. I read about.
Ah oui, ok, d'accord. Lisez. Vous parlez un peu français?
Learning avec ma fille.
Ah, d'accord.
Parce que my mari, il est français.
Ah d'accord, ah ouais,
Oui.
ah, excellent. Ah, du
Wish
coup,
me a luck.
c'est pas facile.
facile,
Hein.
hein.
Le français c'est compliqué.
Oui. It says you can do in the wine bar.
Il y a 30 mètres, donc on pense à vous. Merci. Il y en a beaucoup de monde, et puis on est moins de
What's matter? What you feel?
Great.
Lequel? Extrêmement.
You wanna go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where you wanna go?
I'll take you.
We had a good experience so far. Sophie had some fun, even if while I was doing the wine tasting. But no, you eat too much sweet, Sophie. No, Sophie. We're going to have a cup, so no more sweets. Oh my god. It's a little bit hard when you give your child too much sweets. She's too hyperactive. You need to balance, so I need to give her some soup. Okay, I need to catch her. Give me a second. What you are up to? Should we buy some souvenirs before lunch? What is it? Oh yeah, I know. Okay. So this is a castle of Amboise, and if you want to know more about it, I made a live video that you can see. It's where Leonardo da Vinci spent his last year of life. And now it's time to go for a lunch. We're going to try kind of fast food, half healthy. Healthy because usually galette it's made from buckwheat flour. There is a lot of butter, however. You can serve it with some veggies like a spinach and any kind of vegetable, a little bit of cheese. You don't have to do the cheese as well. Some spices, sometimes with mushrooms, and you can do the healthier version. We've been months and a half in Amboise and we really enjoyed it. Beautiful atmosphere, a small town, and perfect place actually to read, to draw, to gather your thoughts and experience the French lifestyle. Are you serious? After all the sweets you ate? Of course you're not serious. Sophie. Sophie. Hey. Come on, my sugar. Or you can just leave your kid to run around. Oh my god. This food tour is not always the best. Your kid will be really hyperactive with full of sugar, carbs and everything. I won't give you sweets anymore. You're like crazy. What? You think it's open?
Yeah.
Let's see.
There's people.
Okay, get in. We didn't book. Hopefully we'll find the spot. Check it, Sophie. We need to be seated. Bonjour.
Mama, can I have a grape juice?
They have like this orange juice, apple juice, or a cocktail homemade, which is orange juice, apple juice, passion, and strawberry, or exotic juice, orange juice, kiwi, and passion fruit.
Strawberry juice.
Passion and strawberry, apple and orange.
Strawberry.
There's no just strawberry. You want an apple?
No strawberry.
There is combination of apple, orange, passion fruit, and strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah, but it will be with other juices.
Apple and strawberry.
There's no combination like that.
Orange apple and strawberry.
No, first is apple, then orange. Third one is orange, apple, passion fruit, and strawberry. And fourth, orange juice, kiwi, passion fruit. Number 3 or 4? Or 1?
One strawberry.
There's no one strawberry.
Oh, I said I need strawberry. I want. You don't get it. I'm having strawberry.
It will be combination, Sophia. I just told you what they have. It's not what you want, it's what they have. Okay, so we'll take buckwheat pancakes because they're a healthier choice. So they do water buckwheat flour, salt and touch of love, and they'll prepare in the kitchen 24 hours in advance. And you have salted butter, so that's a little bit heavy on the stomach, but it's really, really tasty. We'll take some buckwheat pancakes, definitely. You can choose, for example, they have a different kind of house specialized cups or French pancakes or cups. You can choose your own ingredients if you want. You have different prices for different combinations, so you can do your own. As well as for the buckwheat. So buckwheat pancakes or galettes are the healthier version, even if they put in butter. You can still choose like spinach, tomato. Can you behave? We are in the restaurant, Sophie. Goat cheese.
Strawberry apple and orange.
That's the juice, Sophie, I'm talking about, the galette. Goat cheese, and then spinach, and maybe honey or something.
Yeah, that one.
We have some curry style of galette, but I'm not really keen. If I eat curry, I will eat with rice. Sophie. Sophie.
Oh bah tiens,
Get my nose. Dad.
Too much sugar? I didn't know we have to run for face painting, huh? This is what I'm telling you. Like in each corner, you see there is a Christmas tree. Here there's a Christmas tree, and everywhere is Christmas tree. So even there next to... Yes, it's just sometimes French words are on my mind and I can't remember even English or Serbian, so I'm messed up in my head. No, you already have with the heart. More mulled wine. Okay, we are still chasing maquillage face painting. I think I know where is it, but the thing is I hope you like the place with cups in Amboise and also for wine tasting. And yeah, I would like to know what do you think about it. Do you like those kind of places, or it's just something you are not keen on to visit or see? And see you in the next video.
And it's the beach. And it's the beach.
Ludzie. No, fuj.
Mom, you take me to the playground, huh, dude?
Playground after. First we're going to eat properly.
Dude.
Are you dude?
No, you